make a caterpillar today.
What materials do you have for making a caterpillar?
Paintbrush, paint, and scissors, glue, and paper. The skeleton is made of carton.
Okay, what are you gonna do with it?
We're gonna paint it first.
Okay.
Then put the wiggly eyes on it.
Let's start painting. Which colors do you like?
Rainbow. Pick a color do you want.
Actually,
We picked the green color.
good job.
Now we will paint it here. Na 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 na. Green. Ooh. Green, 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 green. Ta-da! Yellow here. Paint, paint. Very yellow. Look, children. I put orange with yellow. Is that so cool? It's working. It's gonna be the best caterpillar ever. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Asha, which color is Pakistan flag?
White and green. Hop, 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 hop. You're gonna hop like a spring.
Asha, what colors are in Korean flag?
Korean flag. White, black, and red, blue.
Good job. First we cut the light blue and then we cut the dark blue circle and then we put these circles on each other.
Yeah. We forgot some body parts.
Which body parts, Asher?
The ears of the caterpillar.
The antennas. Say the
We
antennas.
forgot the antennas of the caterpillar.
Okay.
We need to make them round.
Okay.
Like this. Hey, that number looks like a 2.
Yeah, it does.
Watch this. It isn't working.
You Zor?
We put 2 holes in his head for antennas.
Okay.
So this fits here. Perfect. And this one fits just look right here. Now I will show you the surprise.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Everybody, open them.
It's amazing.
Here comes the caterpillar. It's gonna eat you. It's
Sure.
about to eat you. Caterpillars turn into butterflies. Caterpillars eat leaves. The caterpillar smells something. He smells leaves. He's crawling.